को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, राइट। उसके बाद आप मर्ज सॉर्ट पे आ जाएंगे। मर्ज सॉर्ट इज अ sorting technique based on divide and conquer technique. It divides input array into two halves, calls itself for the two halves, and then merges the two sorted halves. The merge function is used for merging two halves. The merge array LMR is a key process that assumes that array L क्या है आपका lower bound है and R है आपका upper bound of the array and M is the middle term. So हम इसको किस तरह से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? Array of L to M, एक दो सब array कैसे बनेंगे? First array will start from L, that is the beginning, and will end at M. And then second array will start from M plus 1 to R. Here R is the end. So these are sorted and merges the two sorted sub arrays into one. So how this merging will take place? For example, we have given this unsorted array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 elements, right? So how we will apply the merge sort algorithm? First of all, we will divide the whole array into two equal halves, right? So it will be divided into two sub arrays. One will contain 4 elements each, right? So first 4 element will come into this array and next 4 will come into the second sub array, right? We are not going to change the order or sequence of these numbers. So now again we will apply the same procedure on these two sub arrays, right? This is the first array with beginning is 1 and this is end. So first of all we will divide this into further two halves. So here we will have one array with 2 element each. This is the second array. Similarly, we will apply the same procedure on this sub array and it is divided into these two sub arrays, right? And we will again keep on dividing these sub arrays, right, until we will get a unique single value in each, right? So इसके ऊपर भी आपने same procedure apply किया and we will get two numbers each and so on. Similarly, we will get all these numbers, right? So next we will apply, we will do the reverse step. We will keep on merging these sub arrays, right? वो हम कैसे करेंगे next? Now we will combine them in exactly the same manner as they were broken down. We will first compare the elements for each list and then combine them into another list in the sorted manner, right? So first of all, there were two number 14 and 33, right? We will check whether they are in the sorted order. We will keep them in the ascending order. So we will not interchange, we just combine them into a one list. Similarly, we will compare next two element. There were 27 and 10 and they were in the unsorted order. We will swap them and place them in the sorted order, right? And similarly, we will keep on comparing other elements also. 19 and 35 is already in the sorted order and then 42 and 44, right? So here again we will apply the same procedure and we will merge these two lists, first two with each other and last two with each other, right? When we will merge these two lists, we will check whether 14 and 10. First of all, we will compare 14 with 10 and we will see that 10 will come in place of 14. So 10 यहाँ पे आ गया आपका and then we will merge these two sublists together in the sorted order. So we will get 10, 14, 27 and 33. Similarly, when we will apply the same procedure here, we will get 19, 35, 42 and 44, right? So again, we will apply the same procedure and we will get the sorted list. And this is the final step where we have all the elements in the sorted order, right? So in this algorithm, first of all, we will divide our list using divide and conquer algorithm into two halves, then 1, 4 and so on. Similarly, at the end of first pass, we will again start combining them, merging them to get one sorted list. So diagrammatically also we can see if we have to sort all these numbers. So first of all, we will divide. Here we can see there are odd numbers. So 4 element will be in the first list and 3 will be in the second list. And again we will divide this into two sub-arrays having 2 elements in each list. Here we can see that we will get 2 elements in first sub-array and 1 in the next. Similarly, this is the final step where we have got all the list with each one element each. Now again we will start merging those lists. So 38 and 27, when they will merge, we will get 27 and 38. Similarly, when we will compare this, 3 will come in place of 43. Similarly, in this, the numbers will remain in the same order. And then again, if we are merging these two lists, then we will arrange all these in the sorted order. Similarly, after at the end, we will get all the number in the sorted order. So this is the procedure through which we can so we can see that input and output is same in all the sorting algorithm. In all the sorting algorithm, you have to specify the size of the array and you have to read the elements of the array. And result is same. You have to sort all these number in the sorted order. But the procedure is different. The technique is different. The method is different. So what is this algorithm? Here, first of all, we will use recursion, and there are two algorithms. We will use two different ways. Initially, we will given A is a linear array and BEG is the beginning element. कहाँ से start हो रहा है आपका, and this is the ending. If we are having n elements, then beginning will be 0 and end will be n minus 1, right? So first of all, we will compare if beginning is less than end, right? Then we will find out the middle element of the array. This is the mid, which is equal to beginning plus n by 2, right? So after finding the middle element, we will divide our array into two halves. The first half will contain elements from beginning to mid, and second will contain elements from mid plus 1 to end, right? So we will call this, we are calling this procedure again merge sort. This is A, first element is the name of the array, and second element is the beginning element, and last is the end of the array. Here we are talking about the first sub array. In the first sub array, the last element is the mid. Similarly, for the second half, we will write A mid plus 1 to end, right? We will apply the same procedure on the first sub array. कब तक apply करेंगे? ये आपका recursion है, recursive है. जब तक वो आपका हर list में एक single element नहीं रह जाता, right? So merge the two halves sorted in step 2 and 3. अब यहाँ पे basically आपने एक और प्रोसीजर को हम कॉल कर रहे हैं merge. यहाँ पे क्या है? A is the name of the array, beginning, mid and end. Here we will pass the 4 parameters, right? So now we will see how this merge procedure for this merge algorithm, right? इसमें हमने दो यूज कर रहे हैं. हम merge sort के अंदर we are calling merge sort itself again and again, and merge is a separate procedure which is used for comparing, right? So इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? Is it visible? बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the merge algorithm, we have the name of the array. 4 parameters are required, and here we have used different terms. You can use the same also. Low is the lowest element, beginning, mid, and high is the end, right? What is the procedure of this algorithm, right? In this algorithm, first of all, we will basically we are comparing when your array is divided into single elements each, we will compare first two elements and we will check which is less and arrange them in the sorted order. So here we are doing this. If A of I is less than A of j, what is I and j? I is the your low, that is 1, and k is the low index, and j is the mid plus 1. We are comparing our first element with the mid plus 1 element, right? So in this case, if ai is less than a of j, we will set ck. We are first of all we are storing the elements in the third array c, right? तो उस केस में आपने जो स्मॉल वाला एलिमेंट होगा, जो छोटे वाला होगा, उसको सी में स्टोर, राइट? एंड क्योंकि हम स्मॉल वाला कर रहे हैं तो उसका इंडेक्स इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, राइट। इसका मतलब नाउ वी विल चेक द सेकंड एलिमेंट। फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हमने इसमें डाल दिया, देन वी विल चेक द सेकंड एलिमेंट, राइट। इफ ए ऑफ जे इज लेस देन ए ऑफ आई, तो जे आपने मूव करवाना है, ठीक है। हियर एरे सी विल स्टोर द स्मॉलर एलिमेंट, राइट। जो भी उनमें से स्मॉलर होगा उसको हम सी में स्टोर कर रहे हैं, राइट। और ये कब तक करना है? इफ आई इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू मिड, मतलब फर्स्ट सब एरे आपका लो से मिड तक चल रहा है, सेकेंड वाला जो आपका चल रहा है मिड प्लस वन टू हाई चल रहा है, ये हमने मिड प्लस वन रखा है ना, मिड प्लस वन टू हाई, ठीक है। तो फिर अब क्या होता है, अब सपोज आपके पास एक एरे में, सब एरे में नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ज्यादा हैं, राइट। तो जो भी आपके रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट बचेंगे, जो लेफ्ट ओवर एलिमेंट्स होंगे लेफ्ट सब एरे के, उनको हमने एज इट इज सी एरे में कॉपी कर देना है, राइट। सिमिलरली अगर आपके राइट सब एरे में जो एलिमेंट्स बचेंगे उनको एज इट इज आपने सी में मूव करवा देना है। तो इसके लिए जो लूप चलेगा लेफ्ट सब एरे के लिए, व्हाइल आई लेस देन और इक्वल टू मिड, सिमिलरली फॉर द राइट सब एरे जे लेस देन और इक्वल टू हाई, ठीक है। और लास्ट स्टेप में आपने क्या करना है, आपने सारे वी आर यूजिंग मतलब ए की ए एरे में ही आपके अनसॉर्टेड ऑर्डर में है, सी में हम टेम्परेली डाल रहे हैं। एट द एंड ऑफ द एल्गोरिदम वी विल पास ऑल द एलिमेंट फ्रॉम सी टू ए, वो मूव करवा देंगे। सो आई इज इक्वल टू लो टू हाई चलेगा, and set ai is equal to c of i. We are copying all the elements of c back into array a, ठीक है। यहाँ पे ये देख लेना, a यहाँ पे स्मॉल ही ले लेना, एल्गोरिदम में वी आर यूजिंग a, तो यहाँ पे कैपिटल है ना, इसको स्मॉल ले लेंगे हम। सो इसमें